What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are ya? And hi, first of all, it's my birthday! Hi, Scorpio season is officially here. And baby, I am so excited because yes, we're back. Hi YouTube, how are ya? We have the brand new Scorpio collection. For years, you guys have been asking for a Scorpio collection. I never wanted to like hop on the Zodiac train. So many brands has already done that, but baby, I am the epitome of a Scorpio. And girl, today we are unveiling the new palette, new lipsticks, new shades of liquid eyeshadows. We have new lip oils, a full range of merch, new mirrors, sweatsuits. You know Jeffree Star Cosmetics never plays games. So without further ado, it's time to unveil my birthday collection. Okay, now obviously you know I'm a Scorpio. November 15th, I am right down the middle. My mother decided to give birth to one icon and then I was a single child. So this palette and this collection, it's not representing every Scorpio on the planet. There's definitely Scorpio energy in here, but this is representing my type of Scorpio. The loyalty, the ferociousness, and the beauty is what we're gonna be showcasing today. So hi, we're gonna unveil the palette right now. I know most people love the big, we call it the big daddy of the collection. As you see, this is a trapezoid. We have a brand new shape, and yes, this is a trunk. Look at the sneak peek of the class. You guys know I am so obsessed with packaging. Now the unicarton alone is stunning. Just like cremated from years ago, we're giving you a window so you can see me, and yes, I'm on the palette. So without further ado, let's open her up, and here's what the Scorpio palette looks like. Voila! Yes! This is giving like a book. It's giving you a novel. The packaging feels so expensive. This is very heavy. There's 24 eyeshadows in here. So we all know the main event is the Scorpio palette. I want to open it right now. I can't stop staring at it. But yes, here's the clasp, you guys. Let's show you the full works first. So here's what it looks like when it opens. And it goes right back in there. It is so beautiful. And yes, this is me, naked, in the sand, covered in scorpions. Okay, without further ado, it's time to open my birthday palette. Introducing the Scorpio palette! Woo! Oh my god! Oh my gosh. Okay, so first impressions, 24 shades. Of course, our iconic matte formula mixed in with this beautiful, crazy array of metallics. This is one of my favorite color stories I've ever created. What do you guys think? Okay, so first impressions of the palette. We have new pan designs. We have the beautiful scorpion. We have, of course, Diva's beautiful Pomeranian face in there. We have the M for the Zodiac, and then we have the psychic hand with the energy and the all-seeing eye in there, representing the psychic Scorpio energy. Now this, of course, has 24 shades. The first row, let's get into it. Oh my god. All right, the first shade with Diva's beautiful face in it is called Scorpio Energy. This shade is a beautiful dusty pink rose. It has a little bit of a purple tinge to it, and I am just obsessed with it. The next one is called Star Aura. This is such a pretty metallic. Of course, it has this peachy tone to it with a little bit of shift of gold shimmer. Is absolutely stunning. Next we have Diva Lynn. Rest in peace to my 15-year-old dog. He recently passed away. We're giving him a little homage because he was with me a third of my life and he was such an important part of my history. So Diva Lynn has this beautiful desert sand tan color. And then next we have Privacy and Psychoanalyze. These are two metallics. One is a copper, one is a bronze. They are so beautiful. The first row, this is so wearable. It's giving you daytime realness. And last but not least, we have shade Steininger, a brown, and I mean, it has a red undertone to it, but it's a really nice brown. And yes, the name is my real legal last name before we changed it and said goodbye to the past. Now this row is so fun. This is Jeffree Star's birthday party bitch right on the lid. Let's get into it. The first shade, that beautiful teal mint. It's neon, it's stunning. It's called Originality. Hi, me. And I just love it. It's so beautiful. The next matte shade is called November 15th, my actual birthday. And if you have my exact same birthday or the week of, drop a comment, I wanna hear it. The next shade is called Spirit Realm. Then we have Powerful Presence, and then we have Single Minded. And then Fearless. These are 4 absolutely beautiful, blinding metallics, all different shifts. As you guys see, Spirit Realm has a lavender and gold metallic moment. Power Presence has a more magenta shift with a little bit of cool pearl to it. And of course, single mine is a lilac, and this vibrant violet is called Fearless, which is what I want everyone to embody. So this may be one of my favorite rows of the palette. Turn up the party. Let's get into the third row. Oh my God, bam! Here she is. This is one of the most unique rows of eyeshadow I have ever created. Let's get into it. This beautiful purple plum, it's called Intimacy King. Everything on this palette is inspired by Scorpio energy and my life. I'm sure you guys have noticed that. Next, we have Loyalty, a beautiful antique gold with a shift of pearls. And then we have this beautiful brick red brown. It's called Harsh, like my mouth. All right, the next shade, this is a bright, brilliant red with an orange undertone. It's called Sex Slayer. We all know Scorpios are the best lovers, and yes, I said that. The next shade, these are two mattes for the last ones. This is called Star Camel and Moon in Sagittarius. Star Camel is one of my favorite blending colors for the crease. Oh my God. And then Moon in Sagittarius is of course a beautiful muted periwinkle blue. It's bright, it's stunning. And this is the third row. There's one more row. Let's get into it. And the fourth and final row of the 24 pan Scorpio palette. Boom! It's right here. The first shade is called Garden Grove. This is the actual city in Orange County, California, where I was born. Shout out to all my GGs. Let's go! And of course, it is a beautiful muted army green. Next to mattes, we have Secretive and Ego Death. Now, Secretive is a beautiful light terracotta brown. Ego Death is a deep teal, and if you don't know what an ego death is, Google it later. I had a very beautiful experience a few years ago. Come on, spirituality! All right, the last three shades, oh my God, they are so beautiful. We have Abstract Love and Pluto's Touch, two beautiful metallics. This one is of course a vibrant navy blue with blue shimmer on top of it. Oh my God, look at the way it moves. And then we have Pluto's Touch, a beautiful silver metallic. And then last but not least, Deep Wisdom. Deep Wisdom, of course, is a beautiful deep navy matte shade. There's 24 shades in this palette. Let's give y'all a little overview. It looks like this. And this is probably one of the most fun color stories we have ever done for Jeffree Star Cosmetics. It is representing me, it's representing the party of my birthday, and it is it's just an orgy of fun. Hi, how are ya? All right, now it's time for a new formula. You know, I am the queen of liquid lipsticks and lipstick in general. You know, we have the velour liquid lips. We also have the famous Velvet Trap lip, which we launched a few years ago. It is absolutely beautiful. Well, hi, she has a new shiny sister. It's called, voila, the Shiny Trap lipstick. This is what the packaging looks like. She is absolutely beautiful. And it pulls out like this, and you're giving a little moment where it's just sitting there in its little bed, just waiting for you to apply. Now, let's get into the Shiny Trap lipstick. We have 7 lucky shades, and the lipstick comes out just like this. Bam! And it's heavy, it's beautiful. And the lipstick itself, wait until I open up this bitch. Y'all are going to actually gag. So there's 7 shades here. We're gonna swatch them for you quickly. Let's open up Pomeranian Kiss, and here is what it looks like. Yes! Full customized lipstick bullet. These lipsticks are made in Italy, so they have a little bit more extraness, and the formula is beautiful. Now, these lipsticks are formulated without silicone, without mineral oil, without paraffin. This is gonna give your lips a breathable barrier. It's also gonna blur your lines. So this isn't just any old lipstick, it's the Jeffree Star lipstick, baby. It has hydrating properties in it. It's infused with pomegranate flower and jojoba liquid wax. It is 100% vegetable. Of course, this is vegan and cruelty-free. Let's swatch all 7 colors on my hand and get into it. Look at this formula. So this is a 1 swipe coverage. It literally, I'll swipe it again. It is so creamy, it is very brilliant, and it just gives your lips a beautiful, high impact shine. This is literally the opposite of matte. Look at this beautiful deep grape. Should we start there? This is called Loyalty Over Everything. And then we have Gardening in Mayhem, this beautiful deep chocolate brown. And then we have Deep Sting, bright raspberry. I love Deep Sting, it's very different for me. And then this hot, hot red, it's called Hot Devotion. It's an orange red. It's what I'm wearing in some of the Scorpio ads. 2 nudes are just, oh my God. We have Pomeranian Kiss, which we already have in a liquid lip formula. And then we have a new shade called Camel Humps. And then we have Scorpio, of course. Our famous liquid lip Scorpio is now in a shiny trap formula. All 7 will be available on launch day. They're absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna do a separate video swatching them all. Today we're wearing Pomeranian Kiss with a Dominatrix lip liner. This formula is just so stunning. These are gonna be retailing for $20. They're of course made in Italy, and I am obsessed. Now it's time for some new shades of the Star Liquid Eyeshadows. For Scorpio, I had to create new shades. We have them for Psychedelic Circus and Star Wedding. The formula is impeccable. If you've never tried a liquid eyeshadow, baby, they are so easy. Perfect for on the go. Swipe, blend, dry, move on with your life. No creasing. So today I'm actually wearing one right here over this beautiful blue in the palette. And this is Jeffree's Diamonds. It's a beautiful white blinding shade with a little bit of pink reflex in there. If you've never used one of my liquid eyeshadows before, it comes in a unicarton like this. Of course, this is all tailored for the Scorpio collection. You see a little bit of the window so you can see the color that you're getting. The shade label, of course, is on top. And yes, I made a unicorn blood liquid eyeshadow. My top selling liquid lip, top 3 of all time is unicorn blood in the history of my company. I wanted to create a liquid eyeshadow with it. So we have 6 absolutely beautiful shades. I'm gonna swatch this on my hand, of course, but here is what the new component looks like. Here's one of the shades I'm wearing on my eyes, Jeffree's Diamonds. The component is easy, perfect for travel. The doe foot is absolutely just very easy to get in there and get out, bam, bam, bam. I love this formula, I'm so proud of it. This is a 1 swatch coverage of brilliance. I love the shade. Look at the way it moves and reflects. Oh my God. All right, let's swatch the other 5. Bam! Here are all 6 of the Liquid Star shadows in the Scorpio collection. I just swatched them. They are going to dry down to a beautiful matte. Of course, not the metallic, but they dry down. They do not go anywhere. They're absolutely beautiful. So let's start with Jeffree's Diamonds, a gold white with a beautiful red pink shift of pearls. All right, now these first 2 mattes are called November Baby and Scorpio Sand. Of course, they are stunning. I wanna show you guys how easily these blend out, because if you've never tried a liquid eyeshadow, you're going to be shook. So imagine this is your lid, you guys. Literally swap, like you swatch on your lid, take a brush, take a finger, take anything, and you just buff and blend this out onto the skin and the lid, and you can buff and blend that out. You can make the perfect smoky eye. Obviously this color is very light, but let's even do it to the pink. This is like a real like f you Barbie pink. So fun for smoky. You literally just dab it on with the brush, blend it out, and it is absolutely stunning. So the next shades, of course, we have our Garden Grove, Unicorn Blood, and Prom Night. These 6 shades are absolutely stunning. I am so proud of this formula, and I can't wait for you guys to see them in person. It's time to unveil the last 2 items of the collection. We have our famous, beautiful lip oil. I introduced this formula with that Wyoming Winter skincare line. It has gone off amazing. This formula is beautiful. If you have dry lips, chapped, feeling a little, this lip oil is going to revive and bring you back to life. We have 2 new ones. We have Scorpio Energy and Pink Aura. When you open them up, they look like this. There is 2 colors. One is a more clear pink and one is a little more of a pinky purple. They both have a different flavor. The Scorpio Energy one literally tastes like candy. It's absolutely delicious. And then the other one is more of a raspberry. It is so good. If you've never seen our lip oils, the doe foot is massive. This is what it looks like. Hi, how are ya? Oh my God, the raspberry is so good. This would normally go on clear. I love even putting it though on lipsticks if you're feeling a little dry. Instant hydration. Yes, it looks glossy, but this has skincare benefits inside of it. This is not a lip gloss. This is literally skincare, you guys. So this has chamomile oil, gonna stimulate collagen production in your lips. And it's really just gonna give you a nice superior hydration to keep your lips flawless. Dry lips, not here, bitch. All right, let's dive into my birthday Scorpio merch and accessories. All right, we have 3 new mirrors. Yes, we do. My infamous Meat Cleaver mirrors that have been making waves all over. Yes, they're TSA approved, and they are the hottest mirror on the market right now. We have 2 new cleavers, and of course, the beautiful dog mirror representing Diva Lynn. Now the boxes, of course, are tailored to this collection. This is a Scorpio Meat Cleaver mirror. I love this color. We created the Scorpio lipstick years ago, and now it is a big theme in this collection. So of course we have the Cleaver mirror in Scorpio, and we also have a beautiful teal green in shade Ego Death. I am obsessed with these mirrors. Of course, there is no sharp edge. You can bring them to the airport or wherever you go, and of course, they definitely turn heads. And the third mirror, last but not least, my beautiful son, Diva Lynn, is joining the dog mirrors of drama and delicious. Now, I used to dye Diva pink all the time. And he used to cause a very big stir on the internet, and I loved having pink dogs. So this is a big homage to my son. Rest in peace. All right, we're keeping the Scorpio theme. So of course, if y'all have never seen my Yak plushies, we have a new one in a Scorpio color. Now that I have a retail store in Casper, Wyoming, so many people come in and kids love buying these Yak plushies. I have seen so many moms leave the store and their kids are obsessed with their Yak plushies. They're also really fun to put on your mantle or cuddle with. So we have a new Scorpio color. How are ya? All right, we have a new makeup bag. Hi, it looks like this. This is perfect for travel. You guys know our accessories are A1 and we always bring the heat. This is a new style for the brand. It does lay flat. It is a very nice travel bag. The zippers look like this. And baby, she fits a lot of stuff. So when you put this down on your counter or in the bathroom, it lays flat. It holds a lot of product and I love this. So this is probably going to be a new staple in our brand. Of course, when you open it, you see the Jeffree Star Cosmetics logos. The color is, of course, our iconic Scorpio color. It has the badge up front and this holds a lot of stuff. So if you're looking for a new makeup bag, hi, we got you covered. Now you guys know we always bring the heat with our merch. I wanted to just give you one solo birthday moment. So we have a Scorpio sweatsuit. This one is one of my favorites that we've ever created. Here is what she looks like. I am obsessed with this color. We have the beautiful detailing on here. The scorpion looks incredible. It is of course on the hood as well. And a lot of people love matching sets. Of course, our logo is here. Scorpions everywhere. Now, of course, I love matching sets. I hate when I have a top and I can't, find the bottom. So of course, we created the sweatsuit. So here's the pants, of course. The scorpion detailing follows along. It's at the bottom where the leg goes, and this is absolutely just so comfy. The material is so warm and amazing. All right, everyone, this concludes the reveal of the Scorpio birthday collection. Oh my God, the palette is, I always say this, I know I always say this, but this is literally one of my favorite palettes I have ever created. I think I just keep topping myself and I just can't believe how beautiful and perfect this came out. I've never done a birthday collection in the history of the brand. We turn 9 years old on Black Friday and this has been the best, beautiful journey I've ever experienced. And every morning I wake up and I breathe Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So thank you for watching the reveal, the palette, the lip oils, the liquid eyeshadow, the new shiny trap, lipstick, and all the accessories will be launching on my actual birthday, November 15th. We have never done a Wednesday launch. It's right dead center in the week. Scorpio power, baby. I am so excited for this collection and I cannot wait for you guys to see it. So, without further ado, I will see you November 15th. Bye, Star Family. Mwah.